Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make egg salad for gym. This specific recipe is designed to maximize your protein intake and provide healthy fats, making it perfect for post-workout recovery or a satisfying meal prep option. We'll focus on simple ingredients and a straightforward process to ensure you can whip this up quickly. Get ready to elevate your meal prep game with this incredibly nutritious and tasty egg salad. First, let's get those eggs perfect. Place 6 large eggs into a pot of boiling water and cook them for precisely 10 minutes. This timing ensures a firm, fully cooked yolk, which is ideal for our salad. Once boiled, quickly move the eggs into an ice bath for 5 minutes. This stops the cooking process and makes them much easier to peel. You can peel them under cold, running water to help the shells slide right off.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. Making delicious, healthy food like this egg salad is key for your fitness journey, and so is staying hydrated. If you're enjoying this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. And speaking of hydration, check out the Oala water bottle. It's fantastic for keeping your water cold during those intense gym sessions. You can find a link to it and other deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
Now let's assemble our high-protein egg salad. Start by chopping your perfectly peeled eggs into small, uniform pieces. In a bowl, combine the chopped eggs with 2 tablespoons of plain Greek yogurt, which adds creaminess and extra protein, and 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard for a tangy kick. Stir in 1/4 cup of finely diced celery for crunch, then season with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. You can easily customize this recipe to your liking. For an extra layer of flavor, try adding a dash of smoked paprika or a sprinkle of fresh chives. If you want more healthy fats, mash in about 1/4 of an avocado right before you eat it. This egg salad is fantastic for meal prep. Simply store it in an airtight container in your refrigerator, and it will stay fresh and delicious for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.